Okay, I'm back.
It worked. It worked. Thank goodness it worked. Did PE work or did anybody try PE?
No, PE didn't work for me.
Ugh.
But I just did the assignments that he gave us.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be the rest. Probably the rest of the day. Hopefully by tomorrow. It's working for some people and it's not working for others, and I don't know that Canvas is working for y'all either. It's working for some people, not everybody. We'll give them a couple minutes. We'll finish math and then we'll have lunch in fine arts. What's today?
Oh, fine arts today?
Yeah. Well, you have online work. I don't know if she assigned you new online work though.
Oh.
You probably have to look.
Which one? Music?
You can either do music or art. Doesn't matter.
PE didn't work for Audrey now.
Yeah, probably didn't work. I don't know that he even put.
And me.
That's fine.
I feel like he just wasn't like trying to get on because it said host is waiting for host, and I was like,
oh, so see, well, it might be that it's working for y'all, but it's not working for him, maybe.
Yeah.
Because like for you, it keeps kicking you out. It keeps kicking people out. Sign into the Zoom.
Sorry, Pickles.
Hello. Okay, let's see. Almost everybody's back, I think. Or no, not yet. Okay. Give them a couple minutes. Is it taking y'all a while to get in here? Or did it like kind of let y'all in? Did it let y'all in quickly?
Well,
It started quickly.
Okay. So I think
when I did it, it took me a couple minutes.
Pickle Bear.
Some of the other teachers are still trying to Zoom and it won't let them Zoom, so I don't know. I'm just hoping it lets me back in every time I let y'all go. Oh yeah, see, I think
Yeah. I want it to rain.
it looks like it was like dark,
Oh my,
right?
my
Okay.
flight is
It's raining at my house right now. Because my dad just went to work and it's raining.
Yeah, it looked like it was earlier. It kind of got dark. We'll give them a couple minutes, and we're gonna finish that page, that backside of that math, and then I think we have basic facts. I'll let you do, and then that'll probably be lunchtime.
It's getting super windy at my house.
I couldn't go to the PE because I couldn't do PE, sorry.
Giving them till 11:05 to get here because I know everybody was having problems earlier.
Woohoo! It's a me, a Mario.
Adrian, you want to try to log into
Mario.
real fast and see if it works?
Log into what?
Your Canvas account and see if it works for me?
Sure. I'm already in Canvas right now.
Oh, can you see if like your math works?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see?
Let's see. Math. It's working. I see this part of the page, this part of the module says grade 4 math, job like 2020, 2021. And
The modules? Can you see like each day of the week? Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday?
yeah, let me see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Can you?
Yep.
So it's working. Or that's working. I don't know if mine's working though. Let me check. I guess I should check to see if mine's working. That's the question.
The real question is if it works.
I think it's working. I wonder if we should
I said try your phone.
try to do.
On my phone, what?
What do you see in there? My Canvas page been wiped.
I think you're telling little white lies. Let me see if it works.
Mr. Knight,
Yes.
It worked?
my mom's calling me, but the storm's gonna come because it was really windy outside. Because we hear big noises of the trees whooshing and whooshing.
My brother here. I need to mute myself. My brother.
While we wait, let me see if I can pull up. Oh, it wasn't working.
Never mind then.
Let me see if
Here I
it-
left.
there's
I
a-
am! Okay.
tables. If I can pull them up. Let me see. While we wait. Finish that page anyways. I'm standing there. We're gonna finish that page. Let me see if we can.
I'm a bunny rabbit.
I want to be a bunny.
I wish I was a hamster.
I wish I was a cat.
Okay. All right. So while we wait for those people, let me play these
I
videos.
wish I was Squidward.
Y'all can mute yourselves.
Okay. There's
Okay.
Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Farragon. And in today's lesson, we're going to be talking about the relationships between the place value positions. So your objective is to be able to describe the relationship between those positions. So let's take a look at our base 10 blocks. Please note that one cube will represent 1 unit, a long will represent 10 units, a flat will represent 100 units, and a cube represent 1,000 units. When we're talking about the relationships, I want you to note that as we move along the left of the place value chart, we see the values are 10 times as much as the positions to the right. So let's take a closer look at what that means. Look at the long and compare it to the small cube. The long is 10 times as much as the small cube. Why? Because it takes 10 cubes to make a long. Let's compare the flat to a long. The flat is 10 times as much as the long. Why? Because it takes 10 longs to make a flat. Look at the large cube and compare it to the flat. The large cube is 10 times as much as the flat. Why? Because it takes 10 flats to make a cube. What if we go to the right? What happens to our numbers? As we're moving to the right along the places, the values are getting smaller. They are 1/10 of the position to its left. And please note that when we say 1/10, it's the same thing as saying as we're dividing by 10. So let's take a look at those positions and those relationships.
Class workout?
Let's look at the flat and compare it to the large cube. We can see the flat is 1/10 of the large cube. Why is that? Because it takes 10 flats to make a cube. So the flat is 1/10 of the cube. Let's compare the long and the flat. The long is 1/10 of the flat. And why? Because it takes 10 longs to make a flat. So the long is 1/10 of that flat. Now let's take a look at the small cube and compare it to the long. We can see the small cube is 1/10 of the long. Why? Because it takes 10 cubes to make a long. So the cube is 1/10 of the long. Now let's take a look at an example. In the number 4,839,980, and I want to know the value of the 9 in the thousands place is blank, the value of the 9 in the hundreds place. Well, first of all, So your
What?
objective for 4,839,980.
So, somebody unmute. Is 9,000 1/10 of 900 or is it 10 times greater than 900? Who can tell me?
9 times greater.
Good job, Adrian.
And I want to know the value of the 9 in the thousands place is blank. The value of the 9 in the hundreds place. Well, first of all, let's look at each value. The 9 in the thousands place, its value is 9,000. The 9 in the hundreds place, its value is 900. Now we want to know the relationship between the thousands and the hundreds. I placed a circle over the 9 in the thousands place. The value is 9,000. And then I placed an underline. I underlined the 9 in the hundreds place, and its value is 900. So I can see that 9,000 is 10 times greater than 900. Again, this is bigger. This is bigger, so it's 10 times that amount. So to complete the statement, the value of the 9 in the thousands place is 10 times the value of the 9 in the hundreds place. On example 2, we have the number 5,907,883. The value of the 8 in the tens place is blank, the value of the 8 in the hundreds place. So now we're comparing the tens to the hundreds. So the value of the 8 in the tens place is 80. The value of the 8 in the hundreds is 800. So we can see that the 8 in the tens place is 1/10 of the value of the 8 in the hundreds. This is smaller. So when it's smaller, it is 1/10 of. So I hope this helps you understand the relationships between the place.
I don't know why he keeps doing that. Anyway. Okay, back to what we're doing. We have to finish that one page out of our math binder, and if we probably, maybe basic facts if we have time. Oh, was it this morning? Page 1B, the back side of the page we were just on. So flip to the back side. Let's finish this. Smaller? No, I don't want to make it larger. I want to make it smaller. Okay. Whatever. Here, let's finish this before lunch. You can tell me how to say that number right there that's in those boxes.
Okay, I think I might get it wrong, but here it goes. Okay, so it's 6,000,000.
25 what?
25,531.
Yes, you got it right.
Yay!
Good job. And so 6,025,531. See, Natalie thought she was, oops, my bad. Natalie thought she was going to get it wrong, but she got it right. She tried. Numbers. Hey, Jacob's not back, is he? Where's Izzy? Jacob, are you there? He's not, is he? Oh, yeah, he is. Oh, okay. I didn't think you were there.
Finished one.
Okay.
I'm on two.
On the back side?
Yeah.
Word form. Natalie told us how to say it, so we pretty much put it into words.
On page 2.
Yep. Yes, page 2. Come on, y'all need to work a little bit faster to get to these pages. That's 6 million. What was that next part, Natalie?
6 million. 25.
25 what?
25,000.
So you got 6,025,000.
$531.
531. Yeah.
Done. Can I do the expanded notation?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
You got this written down. You can start expanding notation, but I want everybody to stay together. Come on.
What are you working on, math stuff?
Thumbs up when you've got word form done so you can do expanded notation. You want to try expanded notation before we get there? Go for it. See what you can get.
I can't see.
Can you see now?
Okay, I finished the expand notation.
I didn't finish.
Oops, 531. Sorry. Expanded notation. Adrian, you want to help us?
I'm sure. 6 times 1 million. 6 zeros. Should I keep saying 6? No. Plus 2 times 100,000.
Check that again. What place is the 2 in?
100,000.
Check the 2 again.
Oh, 10,000. Sorry. got confused. Brain fart.
Plus, now you have to go back and fix the rest
I
of
did
it.
the same thing too.
Check to make sure.
No, I did it right, but when I said it right there, like I did it right in my paper, but when I said it right there, that's where I got it wrong.
All right, so then 2, then 5 times
1,000.
plus
5 times 100.
5 times 100, and then plus
3 times 10.
3 times 10,
1 times 1.
1 times 1. Put it all on there. Put it all on there. Expanded notation.
I'm already on the other one. I was doing the one while I waited.
The value of the 5 in the hundreds place is blank the value of the 5 in the thousands place. So this 5. Is it 1/10 of this 5 or
I
is
finished with
1/10.
both.
1/10? Good
I
job.
finished with both, Miss Hernandez.
Itchy.
What, Adrian?
I'm itchy.
1/10.
I finished with both, Miss Hernandez.
Okay. The front and back?
I'm not done.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Fine. We're on number 2. He's worked ahead. I'm gonna check to see if he got it right.
Maybe can I borrow some of your Met pencils?
Huh?
Your Met pencils? Do you have your little box with Met pencils and stuff?
I don't have that pencil.
What happened to the box? You had a bunch of pencils.
Thumbs up when you've got that done so we can do the next one before lunch. Hope we should be able to finish before lunch.
Lunch. Lunch.
Alert, alert, it's lunchtime. Alert, alert, it's lunchtime. Wait, let me check what time it is.
It's 11:24.
Almost lunchtime, I guess.
Okay. Alrighty. Number 4. So now it gave us expanded notation and we have to figure out what number that is.
I already figured it out.
So 8 times 1 million is what?
8 million.
8 million? I'm going to put an 8 right here. And then 9 times 100,000 is what?
9.
9? I guess I could have worked it backwards. I could have worked it this way. 9. 10,000 times 9 is what?
9.
Okay. And then 6 times 1,000 is what?
6.
It's what?
6.
6,000.
6,000.
3 times 100 is what?
300.
300. Oops. And then 2 times 10.
20.
And then 4 times 1 is 4.
4.
There's our number. Standard form. 8, 9, 6.
No, frick. Papers are so thin.
Yeah, be careful with
Myself.
are very thin.
There.
Adrian, how do you say this number? The whole number.
I'm still kind of doing it in word form, but
Okay.
8,996,324.
You got to put 1,000 in there. You have to make sure you put 996,000.
I knew I did it wrong.
8 million.
Huh?
Million. 8 million. Nine hundred. Oh. $990,000.
Three.
300. 4. That number at the end over here is 3. And you can't see it. 8,996,324.
I'm not done yet.
Got 2 more minutes until lunch.
It's supposed to be kind of right to where y'all could see.
I'm not done yet.
Where's good free boy?
The next one's kind of tricky, that little last question right here.
Before lunch.
Okay, so the value of the 9 in the 10,000s place, so this 9, is blank the value of the place to its what? So we're comparing these two 9s. So this 9 is 1/10 of that 9 or 10 times 9? So we're comparing
1/10.
this 9 to this 9. Is this 9 1/10 of that 9 or 10?
1/10.
1/10. Good job, Natalie. To its left. This 1. Oh. 1.
He's doing this.
Okay. To its left. 3. Thumbs up when you're done, so I know. Oh, my bad. Okay. Thumbs up when you're done.
Thumbs up.
Done. We
Okay. Oh, welcome back, Sierra. I'm glad you were able to get in.
Me done.
Okay.
do we have to go to lunch now?
I'm waiting to make sure everybody's done before I go.
Okay, I'm gonna put away my math binder.
Yes. Make sure you have your reading books.
Come on, Chess.
Wait, is it lunchtime?
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay. I'm gonna stop sharing. Hopefully it doesn't mess up.
I'm done.
Until 12, and then at 12 you have fine arts. You need to go into your art or music tile. I don't think it matters which one you go into. And see if you have assignments. Got it?
Okay.
We got golf for fun.
Bye.
Afternoon.
Will
So
you come back?
We got off this Zoom meeting?
Yes.
I'm gonna end it for everybody. Be back here at 12.
Wait,
What?
when do we get back?
Bye.
Every day. You have lunch from 11:30 to 12, and then you have fine arts from 12 to 12:30. Got it? Be back here at 12:30.
Got it.